The thing Legazpi is most famous for is Mount Mayon, which is an active volcano that's just outside the city. There's 24 volcanoes that are active in the Philippines, apparently. I mean, there's a lot of geographical faults around here, so there's lots of earthquakes and areas with hot springs and things like that. But this is the most famous volcano in the Philippines. Mayon stands over 8,000 feet high, and apparently it erupts once every 10 years. But I wonder when the last eruption was. The last time the volcano erupted? Yeah. Do you know?
1814.
Do you know when it erupted? No.
Last year, 2018.
28. The last eruption's 2018. Oh, you know. Were you here?
No, I go to the 1 year.
Oh, okay. Good thinking. It was 2018 apparently. So don't come back in 2028 because it's gonna go boom. My neighbourhood in Legazpi is quite nice, except for one thing. It's got a Jollibee. Now, Jollibee is a fast food chain in the Philippines, and the food is absolutely terrible. It really is. It is the worst fast food restaurant in the world. Do not ever, whatever you do, go and eat in Jollibee. You will be sick for days. All the way along the sides of the roads on this journey there's like small cafes and shops and things like that. So if you're hungry, if you're thirsty, there's always something on hand. It might not be of the highest quality, it might not be varied. In fact, it's not varied at all. But I'm hungry. Al's Cafe here is going to do the job. This is Lomi Batangas. Yeah. What's in this? Is it pork? Is it pork? Pork and noodles. It looks so good. Thank you so much. As you might have guessed, it was pretty terrible. But not all stops are rustic. This is a beautiful coffee/tea shop with a vape shop stuck on the side. Incredibly friendly and wavy staff. And milk tea with jelly in it. And you know me, I'm not one to complain, but the process to buy a ticket for the ferry from Matnog to Allen is so complicated and time consuming, it is ludicrous. I bet it would be easier to transfer across the border from North to South Korea or book a ticket to Mars than it is to book a ticket to get onto this ferry. 15 different windows, countless different pieces of paper, countless different administration fees, an absolute catastrophe.